see guys, chicken, chop stew, viewers and subscribers, complete dish, pumpkin, banana, sweet potato, corn, with the chicken chop stew. Lovely. Chicken chop stew this morning, viewers. That's the preparation. Chicken chop stew. For me, I get my meat prepared. Wash my chicken with some vinegar. I already washed my chicken early on. I go wash off it, then season up and get to work. And you guys will see the rest. Alright, so far, as you can see, my 2 chicken breasts cut up, season up with my Maggi all-purpose chicken seasoning. As you can see, my thyme, hot pepper, seasoning. I'm rubbing the seasoning now. And leave it to marinate for a little while. Show you the rest of the process. Fire catching up for the chicken chop stew. Burn out the oil, garlic and pepper, and just use the garlic still, you know. Don't drop into some pepper. Hot, food spicy when you fry. Yeah. Alright, viewers, I'll burn out. Drop in the meat, fry up the meat with chicken chop stew. want to fry a little. Just like that. Alright, so whole heap of vegetable, cauliflower, pop chow, all these kind of vegetables. I'm going to clean up my vegetable and then show you guys the process slowly but surely. Cabbage, every little thing. Alright, all my vegetable for my chicken chopped through it. As you can see, my carrot, scallion, add pepper, you can see, onion, my garlic, and also my cauliflower. Alright guys, put in seasoning, vegetable for my chopped through with some warm water. All of the seasoning gone in. Right here. Red onion, red sweet pepper, hot pepper, pop chow, also my cauliflower, you see my carrot, chicken, boiling up. See the cabbage next. You know, so the cabbage got last on the top. Alright viewers, as you can see, me add my cabbage to my chicken chop stew. Spinning it right around. It's getting there, slowly but surely. You see all of my vegetable. You can smell all of that nice fragrance coming out. Beautiful colors. Wow, it's getting there. Yes, viewers and subscribers, you see the beauty? It's beautiful. It's almost there. It's getting there, slowly but surely. Alright guys, as you can see, my chicken chop stew final. I'm gonna take it off now. Not sure what I'm gonna serve it with. It should be normally rice. Alright guys, so with the chicken chop stew, this will come down to you now. Of one finger of banana, slice of pumpkin, it's a sweet potato, and also my corn. So I'm going to add my chicken chop stew now. Yeah, just like that. See guys, chicken chop stew, viewers and subscribers, complete dish. Pumpkin, banana, sweet potato, corn with the chicken chop stew. Lovely.